Alright guys, so we just got here at the Monrovia meet here in California, SoCal meet in Monrovia, and let's see what they got over here. We just got here, so let's roll. Alright, sorry guys, someone just called me. A helicopter actually was just here shining all the lights. But what's up everyone, we're here at Monrovia. There's a lot of cars over here today. Look at that. Happy nights for all the car enthusiasts right here in Monrovia. Kicking off the 9 o'clock and 11 to 11 o'clock meet. Eli, come on, let's roll. Yeah, let's go to the other side. All right, let's walk over there and see what we can come up. This is supposed to be the Evo meet or something like that. Yo, yo, yo. A lot of cars there. Lots of cars, huh? Whoa, the whole parking lot. Oh, they got a Ferrari over here. Love this M3 right here. Just, oh, look what I found. Look at this. Nate, I see you. I found you. The legend is here. Let's just walk around, see what they have here. See what they got. SoCal meet in Monrovia, yo. Yeah. Nice, nice. Very nice. It's always nice to see stuff like this at night. You know, brother? Seems like everyone's just chilling, getting some food. Got some stickers over here. Oh, the Jollibee. Hell yeah, dude. What's up? See what we got here.
I'll show you something.
Hey, show me.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, show me.
I know how to show you it. You just
What is it?
try it. Come on.
What is it? Yeah, look at that. Lots of stickers and juices. Oh, man, I want one of these. Eee, look at that. Ah. Look at that. Everyone's just enjoying food over here. Lots of cars, yo. We haven't uncovered a lot, so oh, look at this one right here. Drift car, drift car. You know, roll bar and everything. We're walking. We got all kinds of cars over here, everyone. We got, as always, we got Supras.
And it's right-handed.
And it's right-handy. You're right about that, little dude.
Want a sticker? You see the Z? That's my friend.
Oh, they're leaving already.
Hey! Go to the 240, man. Stop. Bro, they left. They're gone.
You let me tell you. He does a lot of the people things with grass.
Go.
I'm not gonna ask him.
Bye, Z. Do a hard pull, Z. You have room? Oh, I want. I'm gonna make room. Oh, he didn't do it hard. Hi, engine. He said it ran 160,000 miles. Hello. I don't think that. You like a sticker?
He's gonna look at this.
Get a sticker. Oh, there you go. You like one? Huh? Want one back? Evos. It's like an Evo land over here. Wish we could have drove in our Evo tonight, huh, son? Nice. Very nice. Love it. Oh, look at this Pulsar.
Oh, this is right-handed.
Right-hand drive Pulsar. That's really cool. I love it.
This is the girl I was talking about.
nice Pulsar.
Eagle right there.
Oh, I've seen this Evo before. The clean Evo's right here. Huh?
Did you bring yours out?
No, the reason for that is we're having dinner and, you know, for us to go back home and come back to get the Evo. It's like, by the time we get here, it's going to be like 10:45. Let's go on that side. Oh, next time.
See that Eagle?
I know.
How it smells like a...
Let's see what they have over here. Oh, look at this.
Hey, come back here.
Very nice. Look at that. Sexy Evo right here. We got here.
Cake.
Oh, Hot
He
Wheels.
has to be on his cake.
Oh, yeah, I've seen one of those before.
He's on YouTube. You should subscribe to him.
All right, over here. See this one, Eli? It's full of kids. Yes.
There's another legend.
Oh, no way.
Over there.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, so let's go check it out, okay? I like this part right over here.
All the way back down there. Wait, this one has a full body.
I know. I like this one. It's clean. Ciao, wherever you are. Where are you? What you got in there?
What did your dad say when
go.
when he saw it?
Wow. Oh my Lord, look at that. Oh, I'm loving that. Loving
Is
that.
this turn on?
Yeah, you want to see?
Wow.
What?
Turn it on, bud.
Like,
All right, let's do this. Let's turn it on.
can I just do this?
I love it, dude.
That's just for you. You asked.
All red interior, clean S2, gold plated. Goodness gracious. Wild. Super wild. Oh Lord, this. Oh, I gotta check this out. Look at this. Oh man. Rock. This is called balling right here, gold plated. Holy smack, dude.
They use this car.
Look at that. God. Oh.
And then the first
like a paper
production
gap.
set I got. And then like I didn't have the choice to get all that like.
This is the cleanest executor.
That is nice. All right, thank you, Red. It was nice meeting you. Very nice S2000. Everything else is custom made on this car, and the lighting and everything is beautiful. And the beautiful part on this car is that interior that he made. It's actually red, or it used to be black. So it's everything's gold plated, matching the wing. All right, guys, let's go move along. Even all the pulleys and stuff, they're all gold plated. That's what's up. That's what's up. Stickers on the front. That speaker on our car is on the front. It's not on the inside, but it's on the front of the car itself. Oh, it's a nice clean MR2 right over here. All bracketed and everything. Actually, there's an Integra here that I do want to see on the other side, but it's gone. I think everyone's leaving. Everyone's still pulling out. Still a lot of cars over here though. This American side right over here. Look at the G8, baby. Oh, look at that. Alright, it's kind of dark, but 5.0 Mustang. I've always liked the Fox body right here. Is it Fox body? Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Oh, lightning. Hello. I remember this car. Electric one should coming up soon. It's nice to see a lightning over here. Oh, look at this wide IS right here.
Yeah, they're like 53 miles.
53 miles of walking. It's a lot of walking. All right, you know, there's so much cars over here. It's like up in the yin yang, you know. Another S2. We're gonna go browse real quick. What cars are here? You know, look at that. A lot of Subarus, right? A lot of Evos, BMWs, the E36, E46. Let's go over here. Let's go. Oh, look at this Type R right over here with the Mugen like ours before. I hope that's Mugen. Yep, that is very clean. Look at that. Woo-wee. Most definitely nice right here. Nice touch, nice work. A lot of carbon fibers, definitely nice.
Tap in. There's a cruise night this evening. Tap into the story.
Krispy Kreme? What? That's crazy. Definitely. What's your name, sir?
My name's Jose.
Oh, thank you, Jose. I appreciate it.
Alright, man, take care.
Okay, nice car. Is that your car?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. All right, so lots of Honda love right over here. Oh, come over here, son. Let's see what we can find. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Anything else? Anyone else? I think there's more on that side, but you know what? We're going further and further down. Let's roll. Let's roll. All right, guys. I think we got some videos tonight. Let's go see. Nothing really that, except that S2000 that we caught my eye today. My eyes, I should say. You know what I don't like about the new Supra? It's this side right here. This side right here. Because the original design, what happened was, it's longer. And between the BMW and the Supra, a Toyota company, they wanted to keep the Z3, you know, what do you call that? Z3 proportion. People pulling out all the time over here. Oh, let's go see this payload over here. I gotta pee, little dude. Oh, Eli, we used to have a car like this, but it's in the white. Has the JDM headlights too and everything. Okay, let's roll, guys. Let's go back to where we're at. Backing up. All right, all the E30s right there coming out. Hey, let's go over here, man. Go catch some people revving up right over here. Oh. Come on, let's go, let's go. That car farted. Oh, that car farted again. Oh, look at this 240. I want one of these. Look at that convertible too, man. What do you think?
We already got one on our side on our truck, so.
Whoa. Scary sound. Alright guys, I think that's it. I'm sorry if I'm wearing my mask. It's a little bit muffled, but we're gonna head out because I gotta pee, guys. So sorry. But until next time, the Alliance meet here in Monrovia. Check out their, I'm not, promoting anyone, but hey, that's how I found out. So, here in Monrovia, California, SoCal night. Seems like everyone is, everyone's here. Families, from a young kid to an older kid. Anyway, guys, we're heading out and we are ready to go. We're ready to roll. So I just heard a what do you call that? An airbag going off. But subscribe. SoCal me. Yup. Be blessed. Thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next video. Take care, everyone. God bless. Bye.